Today I'm going to be talking about what happens when you eat a sour Skittle in the process of swallowing them. First is the oral preparation. Um, so Skittles need to be chewed to break them down into a bolus for easier swallowing. The strong sour flavor will stimulate saliva production, helping to soften the candy. Since Skittles are hard, it will take more chewing to break them down compared to a softer candy like a chocolate. The small size of Skittles means that they don't require a lot of chewing, but the intense sourness may make the process feel more intense. Um, the next phase is the oral transit, and in that phase, the tongue pushes the chewed bolus to the back of the mouth. And as the Skittle is broken down, the sourness may increase or change the sensory experience, which might impact the speed of swallowing. If any candy pieces remain in the mouth, they may affect how easily the bolus is moved. Phase 3 is the pharyngeal phase, and the bolus travels from the back of the mouth into the pharynx, which initiates the swallow reflex. At this point, the intense sourness could trigger a stronger swallowing reflex, which may lead to a quicker swallow. And if multiple Skittles are eaten at once, the bolus might be larger, making the swallowing process feel more intense. The next phase, phase 4, is the esophageal phase. And this is when the candy bolus moves down the esophagus to the stomach. Since Skittles dissolve in the mouth, the bolus may become slightly more liquid as it moves down the esophagus. If the Skittle is still fairly intact, it may move more slowly. So the process of swallowing sour Skittles involves a lot of chewing due to their hard texture and intense taste. The sourness impacts the swallowing reflex, and the small size helps it move down the throat relatively easily.